So today I'm making a tequila sunrise smoothie bowl. This is so delicious any time of day. Certainly for breakfast it's a great idea. And let's put our ingredients in now. So first we're starting with some flavored water, and I've used a bit of orange flavoring that is sugar-free, so sweetened with stevia. We also have some frozen cherries and a frozen banana. And we have 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. We're also kicking this up a notch with some natural organic vitamin C. And now we're going to blend this all up. And now we're going to put this in the bottom of our bowl. And now it's time to garnish. So first we're using some nuts, so you can use any nuts that you like. These are pecans. So the nuts are a fantastic source of our healthy fats, which is so important for our brain, for our spinal cord, for our nervous system. So that's fantastic. Now we're adding in the sweet cherries. Cherries contain anthocyanidins, and these are so important. Cherries are one of the best sources of anthocyanidins, an important antioxidant for our entire body. And now we're adding our pomegranates. Pomegranates really healthy for the heart. And some chia seeds. Chia, great for our omegas. And last but not least, our orange slice. And here we are, our tequila sunrise smoothie bowl.